SQLAlchemy, several counts in one query. I am having hard time optimizing my SQLAlchemy queries. My SQL knowledge is very basic, and I just can't get the stuff I need from the SQLAlchemy docs. Suppose the following very basic one-to-many relationship. How could I query tuples of parent, count underscore of underscore naughty underscore children, count underscore of underscore all underscore children, for each parent? After decent time spent Googling, I found how to query those values separately. I tried to combine them in different ways, but didn't manage to get what I want. Query all parents which have more than 80% naughty children. Edit, naughty could be null. I guess this query is going to be based on the previous one, filtering by naughty/all ratio. Any help is appreciated. Edit, thanks to Auntie Hapala's help, I found solution to the second question. It finds average of children's naughty variable, treating false and nulls as 0, and true as 1. Tested with my SQL backend, but should work on others, too.
The count SQL aggregate function is pretty simple. It gives you the total number of non-null values in each group. With that in mind, we can adjust your query to give you the proper result. Which produces the following SQL.
If your query is only to get the parents who have is greater than 80% children naughty, you can on most databases cast the naughty to integer, then take average of it, then having this average greater than 0.8. Thus you get something like